Finally, the Eurofighter Typhoon Project. Flight the moment Europe's most advanced multirole fighter jet roars into the skies. This is not just an aircraft. This is the symbol of cutting-edge engineering, multinational power, and the future of air dominance. The Typhoon was born out of necessity, a joint project between the UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain, uniting Europe's finest aerospace minds. With its sleek delta wings and canards, the Typhoon is not just about speed, but about agility, maneuverability, and unstoppable power in the air. Capable of reaching speeds over Mach 2 and climbing at rates unmatched by many rivals, the Eurofighter Typhoon rules the skies with precision. Its thrust-to-weight ratio, advanced flight control system, and unparalleled agility make it a nightmare for adversaries. This is a jet designed for both dominance and survival. Inside the cockpit, the pilot becomes one with the machine. Equipped with a state-of-the-art radar, advanced targeting pods, and sensor fusion technology, the Typhoon ensures total situational awareness. Armed with MRAMs, Meteor missiles, Storm Shadow cruise missiles, and precision bombs, this fighter jet is not just a defender, but a hunter. Deployed across Europe and beyond, from the Royal Air Force to the German Luftwaffe, from the Italian Air Force to Spain's Ejército del Aire, the Typhoon is a multinational shield. It has flown combat missions in Libya, patrolled NATO airspace, and secured Europe's skies with relentless precision. Wherever it flies, deterrence follows. But this is not the end. The Eurofighter Typhoon continues to evolve with new radar systems, electronic warfare upgrades, and integration with next-generation missiles. It remains Europe's backbone of air power, a bridge between today's battlefield and tomorrow's sixth-generation air dominance. The Eurofighter Typhoon Project Flight proves one thing: Europe will never surrender air superiority. This jet is not just an aircraft, it is a legend in motion. Would you choose the Typhoon as the guardian of the skies? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because Supersonic news will always take you higher, faster, and deeper into the future of aviation.